Feeling indecisive? Grab something cold. Research suggests that holding a cold object can actually sharpen your decision-making skills. Imagine this: when your hands are chilly, your brain gets a boost, helping you weigh options more clearly and make choices with confidence. It's like giving your mind a mini wake-up call, all thanks to the icy grip. This unexpected brain hack works through a fascinating interplay between physical sensations and mental processes. The chilliness activates your body's stress response, but in a good way. It heightens your awareness and focuses your thoughts, steering you away from impulsive decisions. Ever noticed how athletes use ice baths to recover? It's all about enhancing performance, and now you can tap into that power for your everyday choices. But why does cold have this effect? It turns out that the sensation of cold can reduce emotional intensity. When you're holding a cold drink or an ice pack, your emotional brain takes a backseat, allowing your rational brain to drive. This means you're less likely to be swayed by emotions and more likely to consider the facts. It's a simple yet effective trick to cool down your mind when making tough calls. Next time you're faced with a tricky decision, don't just sit and stew. Reach for a frosty beverage or